Hello lovely people and welcome back to Marius Makes. Let's make mini Gruyere cheese scones the easy way. To 400 grams of plain flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix to combine and fluff up the flour a bit. Next, add 110 grams of cold unsalted butter cut into small cubes. Break the butter into the flour by squeezing the cubes with your fingers. Don't overdo it, as you need to leave visible chunks of butter. To the bowl, add 200 grams of Gruyere cheese finely grated. Mix gently, covering the cheese with flour as much as possible. Now, add 200 grams of cold milk and knead the dough until it comes together. Don't overdo it. The dough should look something like this. Now, dip the dough onto a lightly floured surface and roll it out to about ½ inch thickness. Fold the rolled dough in half and gently roll it out again, enough for the dough to stick together. The final thickness should be just under 1 inch. With a sharp knife, cut the dough into small squarish scones and place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. You can re-roll the edges or any misshapen scones and make more, until you finish the dough. Brush the top of each scone with milk and sprinkle with some grated parmesan cheese or grated Gruyere cheese, whatever you have on hand. Bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Serve them warm and enjoy the cheesiness in each bite. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my channel for more home cooking recipes. Also, consider subscribing to my channel if you would like to be notified every time I post a new recipe. Until next time, keep on cooking!